The police are on their way. She's calling the police.
That's good.
They're going to deal with this. It's not up to you to deal with this, sir. You can't assault me because you're hurt with your feelings.
No,
please.
my feelings. You're not putting me on that video.
Now, you can either do one.
Are you videoing that right now?
I don't know. Am I?
I don't know. But you're
That's right.
Hurt.
You don't know.
You're going to get hurt.
That you don't know. So you're willing to assault me for something that you don't even know about.
Turn it off.
Think about that. Think
Last
about that
time.
before you commit a fucking felony, sir.
Are you ready?
How's it going, folks, and welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Today I'm highlighting a video for you folks brought to you by the way of this channel here, going by the name of Mr. Nice Guy Activism. This particular video he filmed while conducting this First Amendment audit is a little wild. Something you don't ever usually see happen during a First Amendment audit. While conducting this audit at a post office in the city of Clark Mills, New York, he captures a few different types of interactions at this place. One ended up leading to this auditor pressing charges against an individual for acting out in rage. What these cops from the Kirkland Town, New York Police Department decide to do here is absolutely unbelievable. Even you folks will be shocked. I want you guys to go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Taking pictures, huh?
I am. I got a thing for post offices.
Really?
Yeah.
You go all over looking for them?
I go all over the place looking for post offices.
This is a cute little small one.
It's tiny. It's one of the smaller ones I've been in.
Yeah,
I've actually
right.
been in one that was about as big as just that area right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Where was that? Too many to remember.
Durnhamville.
I don't know what it is.
Tiny. It's out by Oneida.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Yep, out by Oneida.
Well, that's fine.
I've seen one. I haven't actually been in it. That's actually in somebody's garage.
No kidding.
Yep. And that's out by
How
Oneida.
tall-
Out by
how small
Oneida
is
too.
the town?
Oh, it's tiny. There's not very many people in
Used
it
to
at all.
be.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like there's a church on the corner, the fire station, and then the post office is in somebody's garage.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. Well, you have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hello, how are you?
All right.
Just taking some video of your post office.
Do you mind if I ask you the purpose of the video?
Well, I'm just working on something, that's all.
Okay.
Just working on something. I go around and video record post offices. I know, seems a little odd, but it's
Well, it's not just odd. It's just there's regulations about.
for video recording in the post office?
They might have changed it recently, but I know.
You're not supposed to record?
Yeah.
Really? I always thought that I've only had a couple other ones give me a problem with it.
Okay.
Mostly everybody's good with it.
Yeah. All right.
All right, thank you. Yeah, I'm not going to be here all day. I'm just going to get a few pictures. Get some pictures back here. Over here. And see what you got back here.
Yeah. I asked. No.
Oh, you just got a lot of stamps up. Normally they got those out here though. On a bulletin board. Now I do this all over. This is not an issue.
Yeah, but there's a lot of, especially the packages and stuff, sir.
Right.
There's a lot of personal information. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I mean, but you would, but you wouldn't,
Around there is
but
fine.
you wouldn't leave personal information out in public,
but
right?
Around there is fine. Back here, I'm
No.
sorry. I'm going to ask you to stop.
So you wouldn't leave personal information out in public, right?
Sir,
Right?
I'm going to ask you to stop and please leave.
Well, I'm going to respectfully decline. Thank you. Sir, you can go ahead. Here, you can go ahead. I'm going to step back here.
You're not going to put me in that video.
Oh, I'm going to put you wherever you want.
No, I'm not. No, you're not.
Sir, I'm going to tell you what. Mind your business.
You're not going to put my picture in that
Mind
video.
your business.
Not while I'm doing business here. You step out there and come back in if you want to. But if you put me on that video, I'm taking it from you.
You ain't taking shit.
You can try that again.
I said you ain't taking shit.
Then don't put me on that video.
Go over there and do your business before you become disorderly, sir.
I don't know who you are, but get out.
No, I'm not getting anywhere.
Call the police.
Please do.
I don't know what you think you're doing here, but you're not putting me on that video.
Come here, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. Right here. Right there. It gives me the right to come in here and do photos and videos in this office.
You have to have my permission to put
I don't
me
have
on
to have
there.
anything. You're in public, sir. Public.
I'm getting a baseball bat, and I'll be right back.
I guess this here, folks, proves to us that ignorance of the law really can be contagious. If the ignorant public official was aware of what rights the people have and knew how to behave with the people she works for, I don't think the older gentleman would have acted out in the way he did. Now, I can't say she caused him to act out in a violent manner the way he did, but I do believe she did startle him and at least got him riled up as well, while afterwards beginning to act all innocent while still remaining ignorant. Folks, you guys are absolutely not going to believe what happens when the officers from the Kirkland Town, New York Police Department commit to such an unforgettable act. Keep watching.
So, man, I'll be right back.
Call the police, please. So I'm going to mace this guy if he comes near me. I'm going to tell you that right now. The police are on their way. She's calling the police.
That's good.
They're going to deal with this. It's not up to you to deal with this, sir. You can't assault me because you're hurt with your feelings.
No, my feelings. You're not putting me on that video.
Now, you can either do one.
Are you videoing that right now?
I don't know. Am I?
I don't know. But you're
That's right.
hurt.
You don't know.
You're going to get hurt.
That you don't know. So you're willing to assault me for something that you don't even know about.
Turn it off.
Think about that. Think
Last
about that
time.
before you commit a fucking felony, sir. I'm gonna
Last time.
I'm gonna tell you what. Fuck off. I'm telling you what. Put it down, sir. Put it down. Put it down. Sir, can I get your name real quick? Harris?
Harris, yeah.
Name's Rich, sir.
What's he look like?
He's the old guy. Holy shit. Yeah, he didn't like me being in there. He grabbed himself a golf club out of his car.
Without asking permission.
100%, regardless. Not a public place.
I'm in a public place.
You can't obviously do like can't like peek through your windows at your house and point his camera.
I just asked him not to be back here because we have personal
Who's that?
information.
Technically, you still can.
Because the packages have
Technically, you
people's
still
addresses and
doesn't
stuff
matter.
on.
You've got to secure those. You have to keep the security or the privacy.
I told him that this area is fine. I just
He
asked
can-
him not to point back here.
wherever his eyes can see, he can point the camera anywhere. You can have it on packages. You can have it. That's your responsibility, the post office's responsibility to keep those secure, private, and to not divulge any information.
315 893 95.
What's he looking? What are you looking to do?
I was just looking to come in here and video
what are you
record and
looking for
not
us to do?
and not get us. I don't want to press charges against them. I just want John. I just want you to know you can't assault somebody because of your feelings, bro. I'm telling you. Even if listen to me.
I felt that you
Even-
should ask my permission.
Even
to
if I
videotape.
was in here committing an incident or a misdemeanor, you can't commit a felony on top of my misdemeanor.
I educated
You're
you.
right.
All right.
But
So
thought
I want listen.
I thought
I want to shake hands with you.
that someone who was taking my picture.
Now I gotta tell you folks, and I'm sure those of you who enjoy watching these types of videos already know this, is that this is something you ever rarely see when coming across First Amendment audits of any kind. Seeing an officer know the laws they're supposed to enforce and the rights of the people they're supposed to protect really shouldn't be this shocking to us when they actually do this. It's just about as unbelievable as seeing an alien fall out of the sky. I truly wish and hope we can see it happen more throughout these types of videos in all police departments. I think from this point forward, I think it's all the people really want from them. Keep watching.
Thought that someone who was taking my picture was going to post it somewhere would have to ask my permission to do that.
Not when you're in public, sir.
Not when you're in public.
Sir, the basic rule is this: if your eyes can see it in public, you can record it. That's just, so. Listen,
I was out of line.
I'm not going to. I don't want to press charges against you.
I was out of line.
I hope I didn't hurt you. I didn't
know
hurt
what you're doing.
I didn't hurt you, right?
I don't know.
Okay, you didn't hurt me either, so I'm good.
They're trying to
My
get
fault.
personal information.
I did it.
I'm gonna answer this real quick. 'Cause it's
Jeez.
You all set?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna hang out here for 1 minute and I'm out of here, man.
We're explained that.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Wherever you can see, you can't trespass the eyes.
That's right.
That's like saying don't look at this.
Right, exactly. Yep.
You know? I appreciate you, man.
Nope, you go right ahead. All right.
You guys got my information,
I'm
right?
thinking, what's going on
Did you
here?
get his?
Yeah.
I got this guy.
Doesn't matter where you are, as long as it's a public place and the eyes can see it. It's their responsibility to keep those addresses private.
Sir,
Everything like that.
thank you. I appreciate you honoring your oath, man.
Yep, no problem. Take care.
So guys, this right here is the piece of paper that allows us to come in here and actually record the employees in the course of their duty and the
So I wanted to make sure somebody knew about it.
office.
I got a customer, I'm sorry. But
So young lady, I just want to leave you with this. This is right off of your bulletin board.
okay, I'm helping
Yeah,
the customer.
sure.
please.
I'm just going to give it to you. Down here, there's a place on photographs. Yeah. Okay. Well, educate yourself, Jessica. Next time, maybe he won't act the way that he did.
I have no control over another customer, sir. Thank you.
Later, guys. All right, folks. So there you have it. Assaulted by, I think his name was John, at the Clark Mills post office with a golf club today. I stopped him from assaulting me. I grabbed it. I just wouldn't let him. I wouldn't let him swing it. You know, nothing that I did was out of line here, other than I was just trying to tell him that I have the right to be in there recording. And if that young lady had not been running her mouth stating that you know, you can't be recording in here, I think John would have actually acted a whole different way. She was the fire starter in this whole situation. You can see right at the end of this video, she claimed that she wasn't, and we all know she was. So, you know, I will be leaving the contact information for the Clark Mills post office and her supervisor up. So in case you wanted to redress your grievances to this post office. That was totally unacceptable. John is a little bit of a danger to this community, thinking that he can commit a felony when all I was doing was lawfully. I was lawfully in that building, lawfully recording, and John decided to take it upon himself to assault me today. Shame on you, John.
I definitely want you folks to go ahead and let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. It's on a very rare occasion during these First Amendment audits where you can actually say the officers did a good job protecting the rights of the people instead of the feelings of others or public officials. This here, folks, is the very reason why these types of videos are important, as to where a few years ago they maybe would have violated this man's rights. This tells us that they have been brushing up on the laws and educating themselves on the rights that the Constitution of the United States protects. For my thoughts on the old man is, all I can say is I think he got out of this one a little lucky. By the time this video has been posted, he has since been charged with harassment. Mr. Nice Guy Activism states in his description that if it were one of us on the other end of this situation, it would have turned out to be an assault charge, which is more than likely true. If you folks appreciated this video, make sure to head on down below in the description for the original video and channel links to let them know San Joaquin sent you. Also, if you guys haven't yet already, please do be sure to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications icon down below for future videos. Thank you all so much once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.